What's up, everybody? CJ here, Fins and Fur Adventures, and welcome to another episode of What Am I Doing? But as you can see right now, we need a sharp pencil. We got a sharp knife and a dull pencil. We gotta sharpen that, then I'll show you what we're doing. I'm gonna take these buckets, yes, that I got from Tractor Supply. Expensive as hell. Tractor Supply, if you're watching this, send me some buckets, bro. Anyway, so I've seen 2 or 3 cool little, I guess, rat traps. Anyway, you build basically a trap door on it, and they walk on top of it, and they fall in the bucket. They can't get out, and so that's what we're gonna build today. I guess a 5-gallon bucket rat trap. So as you can tell, we're building circles. Not really. We got the lids or the trap door cut out. So now we gotta do, cut them out. I said we got them cut out, huh? We got them marked out. We gotta cut them out, fit them to the bucket where it's, we're gonna have a gap so it'll freely spin. And I'll show you what I mean, but anyway, I got a couple dowels. It's like some garden stakes. Anyway, we're gonna use that. I got some thinking in my brainstorming head right here. Oh, don't forget your American Rebel Hat Co. Don't forget about them. Swear 10. Get that discount. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and so one part's already done. Let's get the next part done. All right, so we got everything set up. Got our holes laid out. We got our jigsaw. Got our clamp down. Ain't nothing left but to grind. All right, we got our 2 pieces cut out with thy jigsaw. I forgot to hit record. Missed it off. Anyway, you know how a jigsaw works. Stick it on the wood like this. That's how it works. And you cut the wood. Anyway, so we got the wood cut out. Now all we gotta do, we have to trim it until we get some freeboard on the inside. So, let's do that. If you don't know the center or something, yeah, I know there's easier ways, but I'm kind of complicated. And this is the way I know to get the center of a round circle. So, obviously, I don't know how big it is. I'm finna show y'all the way I do it. I know there's 1,000 different ways. Put in the comments a better way, because I did not take geometry in school. So, everything's a little harder for me in the old shop. Anyway, put in the comments easier ways to do this. I'm gonna show you my way. Thank you. Take what? Alright, it's usually easy. If you got enough string, works out pretty good. They're not here. Alright, we got that much string. Now we just gotta measure that with a tape measure. That up there, right here. roughly about 37 and a half. Then we divide that. All right, so we've come up with half of that, 18 and 5/8. So we're gonna measure 18 and 5/8. String. And that should be half of that, roughly. All right, stick with the knot. We're just getting in the ballpark also, people. So cut me some slack. So I'm going off of that dark line. All right. Come on, man. There. And there. Let's mark him out, son. And we done pulled out the big guns. Alright, so we came up with 5 7/8 as being half of the 18 and 5/8. So now we know we got 2. There we go. I have to cut that circle out, or it should be good on there. All right, same thing with the bucket. We're gonna measure around. We'll use this is our starting point. Where did my knot go? And 36 and a half. 36 and a half. Now we just half that. That's where we're going to drill our holes. We need 18 and a quarter inches of rope. It's 18 1/4. Good deal, Lucille. Break out some drill bits. All right. Got a little fatter end right there. Thought it was a cap, it's not. Go with that. Alright, we got the holes drilled. Now all we gotta do, take this piece, like this, put them in a bucket. We're gonna put some peanut butter right there, and then it's gonna be rat catching city. Oh wait, work with us. All right. Now we got one built. All right, we have officially completed our rat traps. Let me show you what they look like. There it is. So, I got a bucket. So you just put the bait right here. I'm gonna put a little ramp, and once they hit that, bloop,